for this all my life. You're just my type.
Alright guys, so this is the hair I'll be using to achieve the look that I'm going for. Springy afro twist. Springy afro twist. Expression twisted up springy afro twist. It comes in 3-pack. 3x. It comes in 1 pack, and each of those pack has 7 hair on out of the 7. So this is 24-inch hair. It's pretty long, but I don't want my hair too long, so I'm gonna cut it in the middle in half to achieve the shorter look but a smarter size, which is like small or medium. That's what I'm going. Kendra not, I did really well for it being my first time doing this hairstyle on my head. Just love the length of it. It's very flexible. I like how lightweight it is as well, and I also love the natural look that it's giving me right now. Like the ends look so natural, although it was a struggle trying to secure it at the end, like to really twist it out, but I didn't want it to be too twisted out, so I like that natural look that it's giving me. And another thing I like about this hair is the longevity of it, so I can keep it in for about 3 to 4 weeks max, because you know I like switching my hair. So but I think this hair can last for about 3 to 4 weeks. I think so, honestly. But I really like what it looks like, what it's giving me, the vibe it's giving me that vibe, and it's just feel like I can literally don't have to worry about putting my hair back a lot, because it's not gonna be in the way of me doing anything. So I really like that about this hair. But yes, that's it guys. Thank you guys once again. I hope this video was very much helpful to you all. We're basically learning together. You guys, we are basically on a journey for me learning how to do my own hair, and encouraging young ladies to want to do their own hair and save some money. That's what I intended this channel to be. And yeah, so the next time I come on here to do this hair again, the next time you see this hair again, it's gonna be, there's definitely gonna be an improvement compared to what it looks like right now. But I did pretty well for it being my first time. I really like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Leave a comment down below if you have any other technique that would get me to improve on doing this style once I try doing it again. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggested hairstyle for me. Leave a comment down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.